Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to calibrate an AEM wideband sensor. Accurate air-fuel ratio readings are vital for optimal engine performance and health. While many newer AEM wideband sensors, like those using the Bosch 4.9 LSU, come factory calibrated and rarely need free air calibration, understanding the process is still beneficial. This guide will help you achieve precise measurements, ensuring your engine runs safely and efficiently, whether you have an older model or simply wish to verify accuracy. So, when should you consider calibrating your wideband sensor? For most modern AEM widebands, especially those with the Bosch 4.9 LSU sensor, free air calibration is generally not required. These sensors are individually laboratory calibrated at the factory, with a specific resistor in the connector ensuring accuracy. However, if you notice inconsistent readings over time, or if you are using an older model, performing a free air calibration can help restore accuracy and confidence in your data. Now, let's walk through the calibration steps. First, it is crucial to remove the wideband sensor from your vehicle's exhaust pipe. Next, ensure the sensor is in a fresh, open-air environment, completely free from any exhaust fumes or chemical vapors. With the sensor connected to its controller and powered on, navigate through the gauge's menu options. Select the free air calibration, or a cal option, and confirm. The process typically takes about 10 to 15 seconds to complete. Once the calibration is complete, your gauge will display either pass or fail. A pass indicates successful calibration. If it shows fail, ensure the sensor was in a clean air environment and try again. After a successful calibration, carefully reinstall the sensor into its exhaust bung. Always monitor your air-fuel ratio readings for consistency afterward. Remember to consult your specific AEM wideband instruction manual for any model-specific details or troubleshooting tips.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.